This is the Auburn Student Activities Center. We renovated this job from existing gym into about a 1,200 seat auditorium. They've got a full theatrical package here. They can host fairly large events. Totally changed the space. It being a renovation, sometimes those are a little bit tricky. This building was built in the early 80s and it's been renovated throughout the years, so sometimes you find things that, challenges along the way that we just have to overcome them. So work closely with the owner and the architect to handle any situations that arise. There's conference rooms, redid all the corridors. We put in bathrooms that were better suited to a larger performance space. The ability to have concessions and pre-function spaces where people can gather. They can really use the space now.